In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best working Hobby Lobby promo code in this month. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up web browser, then go to google.com and in the search box type in Hobby Lobby promo code. It moves you to that web page where you can find a lot of different websites that contains promo codes. You can open up any of them to get the list of promo code, and from here you can use any of them. Just type at that promo code name. There you can copy that promo code. You can double tap here and then tap on copy, and now you can go to Hobby Lobby website to buy their stuff, and when you are ready to pay the money, just don't forget to enter that promo code before paying any money. If for some reason that promo code doesn't work, so just go back to that site and try to use another promo code from here. Just open up another promo code, then copy it and try to use it on that website. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.